everyone. Today I'm showing my Superbuy video. Happy birthday, Superbuy. Many happy returns. Here is the logo of this platform. It allows you to ship Chinese goods with no hassle. I ship them from China to Finland, and it's an immense help for me. Please pay attention to the link, to the logo, and there is even the first page for you. Check it out. Okay, I guess the unboxing video can start right here. So I just got this wonderful box. That's absolutely fragile, the dress, everything as it should be. So I signed it and now I'm on my way home to do the unboxing. Here we go, we're home, we are prepared. Okay. On my way here, I checked the box, how it is packed. So 10 out of 10, my opinion. I can be sure that this box travels safely. See? Yay! Yoo-hoo! 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 Mama has a lot of things. I don't know. I mean, really, like, I have a lot of small packages here. Maybe I should cut because everything is fine here. Yeah, I can see. I don't even remember all of them. All right, I opened this bag and what's inside. Now I know what it is. It's something I really wanted. It's hardwood that is, if my pronunciation is correct, Paulownia wood. It is rare elsewhere, but it is widespread in China. So it was absolutely worth trying. It's hardwood that is very light at the same time. And I have some very interesting project in mind where I would use it. So it's also very decorative, but you can see how well it is packed, right? It's very light, but at the same time it's very sturdy, very well packed. So again, 10 out of 10. This one. Oh, good luck unpacking it, huh? It is so well done. I really want to see it. Yes, the moment. Wow, it's just so beautiful. I hope it's possible to see in the video the shine. There's this very nice. Oh my god, it's so light. It's like nothing, literally. I think the cardboard is much heavier than the wood itself. It's so light. Love it. Absolutely love it. Well worth money, well worth waiting. Definitely ordering more for whatever projects I will be doing. And I love the quality as well. It's very well done. I have to say thank you to the manufacturer as well because they helped me a lot to identify if that would be good for my project or not. It's super light. I mean, I wish, yeah, it's lighter than cardboard. And at the same time, it's hardwood. Amazing. Very sturdy. Happy me. And there's a whole box of other goodies from PJs to some metal parts that I needed. I wish everyone was as happy. And I hope everything is fine in this box. If there are any defects, it's definitely not the shipping company, it's the manufacturer. But I had photos of each and every package that arrived to Superbuy, and I had a chance to inspect, and I was notified about defects if there were any, and I returned those packages that were not satisfactory already. So even if there is anything, it's like super minor, just because people did not notice it, but it's very rare. Normally everything is checked so thoroughly that I'm super happy with it. Yeah, I'm very pleased with Superbuy services, especially the photos and the return policy and like all these things that I would have never done myself because I do not speak Chinese and because I'm not there and I cannot do it in person. But also, honestly, even receiving so many packages on my own, that would be a nightmare. Even at home, you know, going to postie every day, that would be very difficult for me. So that's it for now. I'll go play with my new toys. Bye-bye.